Vanakkam and welcome to VV Fashion World. Today we will be seeing beautiful bridal tissue zari saris from Kanchipuram. So you can see different colors and patterns, and some of them have silver zari towards it and some of them have golden zari towards it. The first bridal sari that we are looking at, it's a bridal tissue sari, and you can see all over its body it has golden design with beautiful leaf pattern on its body, and this has a golden zari inside it. And you can see the pallu and the border, both of them has silver zari towards it, and the border is a big border with the two pillars, and we have a peacock in between the pillars. It's a trending design from Kanchipuram, and it is also paired with a tissue blouse. The blouse that you're seeing here is a tissue blouse, and it has a pattern where you can have a full sleeve towards it. The pallu has intricate zari woven pattern all over its design, and you can see there is mango butti on either sides of the pallu. The next one, the sari number 2 that we are looking at, is a white zari sari, and you can see all over its body it has white zari. It's a tissue bridal silk sari from Kanchipuram, and this has white zari all over its body, and in the border and pallu we have beautiful teal green with peacock all over its design. It has intricate patterns, and you can see the pallu has beautiful intricate patterns. The blouse is a teal green one with a tissue zari, and it also pairs with the border of the sari. The sari number 3 that we are looking in bridal tissue sari is a golden design sari in all over its body, and you can see beautiful golden intricate patterns all over its body. It looks very beautiful in person. On the border it has a bright red border with pillar and peacock design all over its border. It has two design border where it has diamond patterns over its edges and peacock in the center. It's a long border sari, and the blouse, it is paired with a beautiful blouse which is also tissue and pattern, and it has a long border towards the blouse as well. You can see it has intricate designs in the pallu. It has beautiful intricate designs in the pallu with mango design and peacock design on both the edges. It's a zari woven sari in the pallu. So this beautiful sari, it's a tissue bridal sari which has white zari all over its body. It has intricate designs and patterns all over its body, and it has a bright purple pallu with silver zari in its design. It is paired with a beautiful blouse which is also in purple color. It's a tissue blouse in purple color. You can see that the patterns of the blouse and the border matches exactly with pillar and peacock design and diamond designs over its edges. We can also see that the pallu has intricate designs with mango butti and peacock design. The next one is also a tissue bridal sari. It's beautiful light orange in color with beautiful patterns all over its body. As you can see, it's a flowery pattern, and in the border we have peacock zari. It's a blue color border, ink blue color border with peacock zari. The pallu has golden zari all over its design, and it has peacock patterns and beautiful wavy patterns all over its pallu. It is paired with a tissue blouse. The blouse also has peacock design and it's an ink blue color. Look at the beauty of the sari. It's beautiful bridal tissue sari. The next bridal tissue sari that we are looking at is a bluish green sari all over its body, and you can see creeper design with feather pattern all over its body, and in the border we can see it has ink blue border with peacock design on its border. It has intricate designs, peacock design and wavy design all over its pallu. Look at the beauty of this sari. It is also paired with a blue blouse which has peacock design all over its blouse, and it is a tissue blouse. The next sari that we are looking at is a tissue bridal sari in grey and blue combination. You can see it's a beautiful grey sari with the white sari all over its design. It has intricate patterns towards it, and it has a sky blue border and pallu. The border has elephants all over its butta, elephant and peacock, and on the pallu you can see there is a flower pattern and mango butti all over its pallu. Look at the elegance of the sari, and it is also paired with a beautiful blouse which is also sky blue in color. It's also a tissue bridal pattern sari. The next sari that we're having a look is a tissue bridal sari with golden body and red pallu on it. The red pallu has intricate golden sari work woven all over its pallu, and you can also see in the border we have flower as well as a eagle pattern towards it. And the sari, it has flower pattern all over its design, and it has a bright shiny look towards the sari. It looks very grand in person, and you can see in the video as well that it has very intricate beautiful golden sari patented all over its design. The blouse is a red blouse with the same tissue bridal silk, and you can see it also has the same eagle pattern towards it on the border, and on the body of the blouse you can see it has intricate flower designs all over its body. The next sari is a beautiful lime yellow color sari with silver zari all over its design. You can see it has a silver zari as well as a golden zari on its border and pallu. The sari has intricate designs with the parrot design on its body. You can see a parrot, and you can see parrots all over in the body with the Kodi pattern design on its border. And in the border you can see it has silver zari as well as golden zari. It has a Kadi zari golden pattern, and it also has intricate silver zari designs with leaf pattern on its border. The pallu has intricate round designs and diamond patterns all over its design. It is also paired with a tissue bridal blouse, and you can see the blouse also has a grand look with silver as well as golden zari on its blouse. Thank you for watching the bridal collections from VV Fashion World. You can either WhatsApp us or send email to vvfashionworld@gmail.com. You can look for more collections on VV Fashion World FB page, and you can contact us for any deliveries that needs to be made through shipping, or you can visit by the store at 42081 Greenstone Drive, Stonebridge, Virginia 20105. You can make your payments through credit cards, debit cards, or through Zelle. All kinds of payments are accepted in our shop. Thank you.